Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get set up with a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. And towards the end of the video, I'm even going to connect to a different version of Netflix, just so you guys can see that this method is actually working. Let's get started. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm over here on my Amazon Fire TV stick. And when it comes to using VPNs on these particular devices, there's two main benefits as to why you would do this. The first one is that you can access geo-blocked content on Netflix. So at the moment, I have a VPN installed, and this allows me to go watch the UK-based version of Netflix, the American, the Spanish, and heaps of others. And this allows me to unlock thousands of TV shows and movies that you simply cannot find on the local versions of Netflix. And the second benefit of using a VPN is that if you are looking to use third-party apps on the Amazon Fire TV stick, it allows you to hide your personal IP address from your internet service provider, so you can feel confident that whatever you're watching is kept completely anonymous from them. So I'm just going to show you guys how to quickly install and download a VPN. I'll walk you guys through some of the settings you can adjust, and then I'll also play a little bit of geo-blocked Netflix in real time. So to get started, you want to go to the top navigation menu, go over to the left-hand side, and the VPN I'm using for this video is one called Surfshark. From my own experience, they're really great, they're really quick, simple to use, and they do a great job at unblocking the different versions of Netflix. And I believe at the time of making this video, they're only $1.99 per month, so they're incredibly cheap, especially when compared to the competition. So if you want to get started with them, I do have a massive 83% discount link down below in the video description. So I'll just go and search for Surfshark. Search for that one, and this will come up as a recommended app, guys. So I'll just go and click on this one. And as I already have Surfshark installed on my Amazon Fire TV stick, it's asking me to open it. However, if you don't, there'll be a little yellow circle. So you just want to go click on that one. That will start installing and download onto your device. And then you just want to go and log in with your username and password. And if you are looking for all the up-to-date prices and plans, you can check the link down below in the video description. So once you've created an account with your VPN of choice, you can go and open up the VPN app and log in with your email address and password. And with Surfshark in particular, this is what you'll be greeted with. It's a very simple and easy to use interface. Right here we have all of the countries that are available, and then we currently have our connection status as well. So this is pretty much it, guys. You can go and start changing your locations to unblock Netflix, watch third-party apps straight out of the box. But I'll just show you guys some additional settings if you are looking for some extra control. So right down here we have the features. So here I have Clean Web and Whitelister. And Whitelister allows you to connect certain apps to a VPN and allow others to kind of just stay as they are. And if I want to go adjust further settings, I can go down to the very bottom to the settings icon. And right here we have such things as Auto Connect. So I'd recommend turning this on, as this means that whenever you turn on your Amazon Fire TV stick, Surfshark will automatically turn on with it in the background. So this means you don't manually have to go into the app every time you use the device. So this will save you a lot of time. And right below this, we also have the VPN kill switch. And essentially what this is that if Surfshark for whatever reason cuts out, this will automatically cut off your internet connection to your Amazon Fire TV stick, so your IP address isn't linked to your internet service provider. So I'm going to go and turn that one on. And there's also some other advanced settings, but I don't find you really have to adjust those. It's just the kill switch and the auto connect. So now that we have these settings set up, I can go back to the locations. And right here, I can now go and search for a particular location that I would like to connect to. So if you're using Surfshark for third-party apps, then I do recommend selecting a local location. However, if you are trying to connect to a different version of Netflix, you can simply search for a particular country up here. So in this instance, I want to go watch the American version of Netflix. So I'll go and type in the United States, and I only need to put in the first couple of letters. I'll press next. And right here we have various locations, including the UK. So I'll just go and click on the United States. And this will just take a couple of moments, and this will automatically connect me to that fastest server in that particular location. And as you can see, guys, this is now highlighted in blue. So this just notifies me that my entire Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV stick is now connected. So I can go back to the home page now. So before I go and open Netflix, the first thing I want to do is force stop the application and then relaunch it, as this will allow me to go and load the American version of Netflix. So I'll just quickly show you guys how to do that. So you just want to go to settings on the menu up the top, and then go over to applications, scroll down to manage installed applications, and then go all the way down to Netflix. Click on that one, go to force stop, and then launch application. And the reason why we do this is just like when you use a desktop computer or an iPhone, sometimes it just needs to be reloaded onto the correct format. And this will allow you to do this right every time. So this will now load me onto the American version of Netflix. So I'll just click on this one. And right here we are on the US version. And just to show you guys an example of this, I'm going to go and search for a TV show called The Office, which is one of my personal favorites. And it actually isn't available in my location in Australia. So I'll just go and search for that one, The Office. And as you can see, guys, I now have access to the Office TV show. And if I scroll down a little bit further, I'll also show you guys some of the additional content that you can unlock when using a VPN for your Amazon Fire TV stick. So I've got Parks and Recreation, The Vampire Diaries, and this is really only scratching the surface as to the amount of content you can unlock with a VPN. And I can even go and connect to the UK version of Netflix, the Spanish version, and unlock TV shows like Friends as well. So what I'm going to do now is just go play a really small snippet of this TV show in real time, as I really want to show you guys that Surfshark is actually working for unblocking the different versions of Netflix. So I can just go and click on this one, press play. And again, guys, I'll let this load in real time. And from my own experience with Surfshark, it does take around maybe 10 to 25 seconds for the stream to get started. But once it does, there's pretty much no issues whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, it's incredibly easy to get started with a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick. And anyone can do this in around under 10 minutes. And again, guys, if you are looking to get started with Surfshark VPN, don't forget to check out the massive 83% discount link down below in the video description. So hopefully this video on how to set up a VPN on your Amazon Fire TV stick has been helpful. If you guys have any other questions about this device, VPNs in general, feel free to comment down below, as I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. And if this video has helped you in any way, shape or form, then please smash that like button, as it really helps out the channel. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.